How can you build an aura like Sung Jin-Woo? What do you have to do? What do you have to practice? Is it even possible in the first place? All of these questions will be answered in this video. Step 1. Detachment. It's pretty obvious that Jin-Woo doesn't care about anyone's opinion of him because he doesn't need validation from others. The man doesn't even smile when he gets compliments. That's how little he cares about validation. And honestly, you shouldn't care either. Multiple social experiments have shown that individuals who seek validation are viewed as insecure, and that instantly destroys whatever aura they had. To stop seeking approval from others, you need to understand that people's opinions of you are irrelevant. Whether they agree with your actions or not shouldn't concern you, because humans will always have different opinions on any situation depending on their own experiences in life, which makes it impossible to satisfy everyone. No matter what you do, some people will disapprove of your actions. So make sure you do what you want to do, because the only opinion you will have to live with is your own. Step 2. Priorities. If I ask you to order your activities from most important to least important, whatever you end up putting at the top of that list is your priorities. Jin-Woo's priorities were simple: level up and get stronger, but there was a motive behind them. He wanted to protect and take care of his family, and that came before everything else on his list. Even when Jin-Woo had a whole princess simping for him, he left her to check on his mom's condition. Now that's aura. Whatever your priorities are, there is a motive behind them. Whether it's studying or working hard to be financially stable and support your family, or working out to protect yourself, or even just to look good. Whatever that motive is, engrave it in your head. That way, whenever you end up putting your priorities aside, remind yourself what made them a priority in the first place, and do them. Step 3. Appearance. This one is quite simple. You don't need to start your day with a 20-step morning routine, buy expensive clothes, or even copy Jin-Woo's haircut. All you have to do is look clean and presentable. To do that, shower every day, style your hair, and learn more about how to dress. If you also want that lean aesthetic body that Jin-Woo has, focus on bulking a little to build some muscle, then cut until you can see your abs. I know it isn't as easy as it sounds, so I would suggest watching some videos on YouTube to learn more about that process. After this video, of course. Step 4. Understand the amygdala. The amygdala is a part of the brain that detects danger, and when it does, it floods the body with stress hormones like adrenaline to boost your instincts. But when that happens, if you get so desperate to the point you think the situation is helpless and you can't do anything about it, your brain will also detect that. It will shut down and your whole body will freeze. We see that happen to the hunters who face the orc boss. At first, when they felt danger, adrenaline ran to their blood and they got ready to fight for their lives. But the moment they believed they had no chance of survival, their entire bodies froze, waiting to be devoured, until Jin-Woo showed up and saved them. Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't be scared even at the face of death like Jin-Woo. He is a fictional character after all. But you can control your fears and anxieties to a certain degree with neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is rewiring your brain behaviors and beliefs using repetition. The same way your muscles get stronger from lifting heavy weights repeatedly, your brain can get a stronger fortitude towards fear if you repeatedly convince it that there is nothing to fear. Because as stupid as it may sound, science has proven that your brain will believe something you tell it over and over just as much as it believes real events. So no matter how desperate you think the situation is, always tell yourself, I can do this. And eventually, your brain will believe it. Whether it's about an exam, a job interview, or even a girl you want to ask out. But seriously, if any of you ever panic just from talking to a girl, I will personally come to your house and do you like Jin-Woo did this guy. Step 5. Mastery. This one is straightforward. Select whatever skill you're interested in, preferably something you're going to use regularly, and become the best at it. Because it's better to be amazing at one thing than just be okay at 5 things. Jin-Woo is amazing at everything he does. Fighting, negotiating, problem solving, raising girls, you name it. But it wouldn't be realistic for you to try to be amazing at everything you do, at least not all at once. Focus on one skill at a time, and only move to the next skill when you have truly mastered the first one. That's how you're going to stand out and build your own aura. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and subscribing to support a small channel like myself. And feel free to let me know in the comment section what other characters you want me to make videos about in the future. Shadow out.